fun!
Action.
So we have something we got today that we wanted to share with you. We were pretty excited about it, and it's been in the works for several weeks now. Actually, a long time than several weeks, but it's been in the making for several weeks. So we got a sign! It looks just like our logo on the beginning of our videos. Chris designed it. Everything on it, all the lettering, all the trim. He wanted the color because it's Red Angus. We're located in Berry, Kentucky, and our scripture that we go by on the farm is Philippians 4:13, which says, "Through Christ who strengthens, we can do all things through Christ who strengthens me." So any farmer knows you need that for sure. So we just wanted to share the news. It looks great. I'm pumped. It looks awesome. Watch her.
On.
Watch her.
On.
Jenny, get.
He had to pee.
You about got it, buddy.
Back in there.
I figure he had to. He was prancing in the
Get him
buggy.
back in here.
Come on, get up there. GoPro. Jenny, did you try to get Gage? Why? You be nice.
Oh, she heard the bag.
Uh-huh. Gage, you about got it just because you had to pee.
I don't have anything. Heard the bag though, didn't you?
Drive-throughs, mama. What you want? Spoiled? Here's the bag. There's nothing in the bag. It's empty. I know. You telling him about it? Giving him what for? Jenny, you better stay back. Leave Gage alone. He's not a coyote. He's not a foreign. He comes out here all the time. She's never seen him down on the ground before. You better stay in the buggy, bud. It's beautiful today on this gorgeous Wednesday. 80 degrees. It's awesome. The weather's been weird. Back and forth. Back and forth. Cold, warm. Cold, warm. Look at these babies. So the little calf up front that we had to take her and Mama to the barn, this is her mama's sister. And so the calves, that makes them, I guess if in human terms, they're cousins. So as you can tell, they all look alike. Little bull calf. He's really growing. Chris is out here in his sleeveless. Hey, babe.
That one up there's got folds upon folds.
Which one? The big one?
Yellow one. I didn't look at hardly any others, but they don't even want that hay. They're not. I mean, some of them don't. Nice.
Rico, you can't control your woman? Hmm.
He ain't the only man.
Nice.
He's on that spear.
So the herd is following us. They don't want hay. They want to move. They think there's more grass over here, but we just moved them over there like 2 days ago. But they're following the tractor. I barely got the gate closed. Silly cows. the pond. Oh. Did you go for a swim? After almost getting beat up by the donkey? I'd say. That's good. She's coming, Mom. She's coming. See? She's coming. It's your baby. We know her. Everybody knows. Come on, hot. Uh-oh. You better come on over here. Come on, baby. Blake's coming. Come on. Come on. Woo. Go with Mama. Dakota.
It's ultimate udder. She was definitely hungry.
See, Mama just don't have enough.
You gotta take a break.
I don't like to be on the backside.
Here's hitting her stomach.
Hungry, aren't you? Always hungry.
Ooh, damn. I don't know what they've got going. Did we give him cake yesterday, or was that the day before?
I wasn't here yesterday, so it had to be the day before.
Yesterday was when you were here.
Day before. They're just tore up. They are tore up. Ever since we took them hay back there.
Just helping, Mama.